I've been literally obsessing over Central Cee's production lately. Central Cee is a rapper from the UK who has taken the world by storm with his smooth flow and his UK accent. But the one thing that really makes Central Cee so good is his production. So in this video we're breaking down his unique sound. I'm talking everything from melodies, drums, plugins, textures, everything. So to do that, we're gonna split this video up into two different sections. First, we're gonna make a sampled soul kind of beat, and in the next beat we will try to lean more into that hard-hitting UK drill kind of sound. So let's get straight into it. So I have a new project up here, so let's start with the chords. I think I'm starting out with a soft piano. Oh yeah. This is a great start. Let's see if we can strum this as well. Let's see if we can add some kind of plucks here as well. So I just found this vocal sample on Splice. Let's see if we can kind of tune that into this melody. So just arranged out this sample here and see if we can try to make one whole section out of this. Just like that. One thing I noticed is that they keep the snare hitting at the threes here, just like a regular trap pattern. Then they take the second snare and they should have placed it here, but they place it here instead, which makes this very kind of interesting bounce. Okay, so let's add some 808s now. Jag spelar in här liksom. Okay, so let's arrange out this a little bit. Maybe we need to add some kind of rim here instead of a snare. So let's try to find a rim shot. Maybe add some bass there. Here? No, actually maybe not. I like this very much. I feel like this is so good. Okay, so that was our first beat. It's now a little bit later. It's like 2-3 hours later. But now it's time for us to move onto this hard-hitting UK drill kind of beat. I'm thinking beats like Band for Band and Khabib. So I think that the first step is to start out with some kind of brass sound. Actually, I've been enjoying this VST a lot lately. So I think that I will play the chords on my keyboard over here. Let's see if I can move the camera. Actually, I'm kind of happy with that. Like, that was my first kind of idea. What else do we need? I think we need some kind of string, so I will just go into Omnisphere here and try to see if there's some kind of old sounding strings here. Dark old strings. It's already sounding kind of great, so what I think we should do now is to actually try to export this right away and see if we can mess with it as an audio clip. First off, let's add some Decimort 2. Maybe some half time on as well. This definitely needs to be pitched up. Oh yeah. I think that sounds pretty freaking good actually for like, what is it, 6 minutes of producing. Let's try to chop that up and see if we can get that kind of chopped up sound. Like right here. No. Never be afraid to go back on your mistakes. Just some quick EQ and I think we're off like right away to making the drums. I think the best way to approach the drums right now is to just try like everything and see what sticks. Kind of like throwing spaghetti at the wall. Let's see if it sounds good with some fruity filter on. Maybe some EQ as well. Already sounding great. Let's try and add some 808s here. So let's just grab the like bottom notes of the chords here. So let's use that first part with the filtered down snare pattern as the intro and then like drop into something more really explosive stuff. Let's add some kind of crash to really fill up the energy space. Maybe some, maybe an open hi-hat as well. What else do we need? I think we need some more kind of more hi-hats maybe. Maybe we should use some hi-hat rolls also. Okay, so this is what it sounds like now. Oof. let's get out into a hook here, like right away. I can't believe I actually made that beat in like, yeah, I recorded for 20 minutes, but I feel like I made that beat so freaking easy. I mean, the melody is only like 2 plugins. It's so simple. I feel like this is something he could definitely rap on, because I'm not overcomplicating like anything. I'm just doing what feels right. And in this case, like 2 elements inside of the melody felt right. So I guess we're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this new kind of format where I'm like making the beat before your eyes, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, or if you want me to go back to the old kind of style. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.